almost every baby mother, almost, I'm not gonna say everyone, almost 99% of the baby mother them. The baby father them always feel like say yo, they can't get back a fuck. You want despise you. You want to like see you. From you and your baby father left, him never ever ask all your pum pum. Or you not come give him back a kill. And no, you never ever. For you and your baby father left, the you just start fuck a galance. We not reminiscing and come see for your life. I talk about things and start bad. I sit down for your life. I remember how you used to hold on upon it with the two hands and start crying. Because you miss the rifle. You see, now you have to hold things with one hand and two fingers and all them sitting there. Something you hold with, like you hold a cigarette between your two fingers. When you hold on upon this, you hold on upon this with strength. You understand? Hold it good. You see? Remember, you carry weight after yourself and your kids. Not even until about a man. After for yourself and your kids. When I watch them on the internet, I met nobody who will help me out feel comfortable around me. When I want to do that. Uncomfortable matter of fact. When I want nobody to share. When I want to look at you hear that? And that's here though. She want people who are around me helping me out to feel uncomfortable and me I stop that. So Regina, if I don't like that, go one side no please. People help me out and every click on life, but who are in our life and who are in our life. The people who help me out, they might affect your life. People help me out and affect you, bitch you're sick. You're obsessed over JAKES, big rifle. You're very obsessed. You understand? Over 4 veins per one side. Help me, I don't affect you. You're sick, yeah. Bad mind, bad. You're bad mind, you're bad mind, bad. You're sick in the head. You're brother, you need holy body divine intervention. Yeah, brother. God needs to say when I'm angel them for you. Because he can't touch you. God, pastor can't pray for you. God himself needs to come with you. Things are put on the road, go on, clear up. Because people get the wrong idea from the process God reasoning. Because when she said, you're involved in our life, that's so now way. You understand? Or if you're involved in our life, you help me, or affect she, all that. You understand? I'm not see that fool on 50. Unless that fool on 50, man, nobody know. You have to on 50.
Is that a question?
Because a shit came in our life.
Is that a question to me?
You understand? A shit came in Africa our life. A shit came always a goat lever to stress out. You understand? Shit came
I'm not sure who you're
stress out.
talking about.
Stress.
I'm not sure who you're talking
Shit
about.
came step out and she crash out. Shit came step out, she crash out. Step out,
Hey,
crash out. Step out,
focus,
crash out.
focus,
Step out,
focus,
crash out.
focus. All. Hey, focus. Leave that alone.
You mean, man? She go like say her mouth bad. Your mouth are bad, your mouth is beautiful and nasty. You have to shit yard. Remember me take you up and down street. Remember that. Me have to talk about hygiene today. Hold on there. Come here, you talk about hygiene. I want if a hygiene talk me here, you give me.
Ah,
I'm a teacher for brush teeth. Remember that. Me teach you how to brush teeth.
Jakes, we're not doing
Why
that.
you use to wipe out mouth and wash
We're
it out back?
not doing that. You're not gonna go there, man.
Girl, Anya use and beard. Me make you know say, hey, you go buy bearding rag. Go buy rag. Wash out your big step, big and broad and tear bad so don't get wild with the hand. See how you soap?
Okay.
Shuku, 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 shuku. Shuku,
All right.
shuku.
Okay.
Hey,
All right.
go
Listen.
and buy rag.
Listen. Listen now. Are you listening now? I think you'll get your
You come
point
down. I
across.
can't think about hygiene, girl. Eh? You use scrub that time. You go rent place and know what is a laundry room and come tell me what you know about. You go rent one place now one little place and come tell me you know what is a laundry room. And come tell me what you know about, girl. Move! And go one side.
All right.
Go to the back.
Can we talk now?
Don't say, girl, you can size up. I
A
rent
little.
that place there. And you see the extra little space. Never ask the people what that for. Because you know what the space for. You don't know what they use it to do. Yeah. Chat, 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 chat. And you can at first place, you must build house without kitchen and laundry room. What you know
Jakes,
about?
Jakes, Jakes,
Because you are
Jakes,
grown for that, you know. Up in the rundown house, I ask clap while as. Where people are walk past them can see when you're sleeping in the house, bitch. Them
listen.
can't see when you're bed, bitch. A bar on the bar, ask clap, toilet, bitch. You can't talk to Jakes to go up in a nice home with the family, them eat that girl. People are walk past out the road. I look by you sleeping in your house.
Yeah.
So you grow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like you used to nothing, girl. Where you used to? Where you used to?
I'm spoiling next to my room.
Me grew up wild. What you used to? Yeah, relax in your house and people are walk past. Sideway, cause sideway name, bitch. Sideway, cause she have become sideway. We go in the yard. So they call her sideway.
Jakes, Jakes, hold on. Let me say something before me jump. Because you lose the point. I can't do this. I can't
That
do this.
man, you know what I mean? Then she had get rude and disrespectful. What you feel like, sir?
I understand that, but you don't have to throw back disrespect for her to come down. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah,
No,
yeah.
that's
The
not how you
best
do it.
defense is offense.
The best
They're
you
not
do.
going to let the wicked army and
Hold on
blood
now.
and school. Like a wicked
Allow
up
me.
the too.
Allow me to talk. Allow me to talk, please. You know what is happening with her, no? Level up with you now getting this house done is her biggest claim. She never want this to happen. And you know that. She didn't want the house to finish. You know that. So you're focusing now to finish the damn house, not to pay her any mind all the time, not to answer everything. The way she dip up under me last night, girl, when I know nothing about. You think I'm gonna come here, come lower my standard with Rose? Look at Rose. I'm not doing that. You know everything you gotta answer. You don't have to answer to everything. Make sure chat her fuck out there. There's something when she says something, I understand you have to answer, but not all the
Who
while.
will never answer sideway?
I don't know who names so I'm talking to you,
Never
girl.
answer
Say so.
sideway. Never answer gun back up.
All right, listen.
Never answer outside on triangle.
All right, you're not
Never
hearing
answer
me.
oh, hey. Never answer it.
That's what you
Everybody over
know.
here to cross this gun, put away the same thing. We can't do the same thing.
And we're not gonna go
Everybody
there
over
because
here, nobody over here like you.
so that's what I
But
say.
for true, that's for true, we know what you feel. That's important. You
That's the point.
understand?
That's what I'm
Because kill you dead,
saying.
you're somebody, you know. Kill you dead. You see?
You don't have to fight fire with fire. Not today. Not today.
Because when you make money, ton knows of money, you still have buy for. You still run behind, man. You still not no moral. How much money you make? You make a ton more still money. And you still a buy for.
All
Still
right.
a run young
All
man.
right, Jake. Jake,
And still have
let's
some
say
money.
something. Let's say something here. Let's say something here. What
You
about?
have shit key my space guard.
Watch
You don't
this.
know sir Jerome and Max here for. Jerome and Max me throat to your belly girl. And you shake him as space girl. Eh? Plus you have one next one. Bitch. I come to and every time you see me, my man, everybody knows it's not your man. Max is your man. And Jerome. I say name chat.
Your chat
Jeremy.
just as mixed up as you, Torat.
Jeremy.
If them ever chat, don't do that.
Where name chat?
Chat, don't follow him,
Some
please.
Jerome business are Jeremian. Jeremian. You no liar, say. I say no lie. I'm lie. But. And every time you see me, no man, I get a little bit shit, you know.